Hey guys, I want to give you advice on how you can make your company the leader in your industry. You want to focus first on your digital footprint. You want to make sure that when somebody's looking for whatever product or service you're offering, all they do is see you. That means you need to make sure that you're listed on pay-per-click Google, Maps Google, organic Google. Then you want to make sure that you're on all social media out there. Make sure that you're just everywhere. All the directories you can think of. Make sure you go to the Chamber of Commerce. Make sure that everybody knows your name and who you are and what you provide out there. Secondly, offer the best customer service out there because it seems so simple, but a lot of people forget this. So make sure you make a conscious effort every time to be the best, and that means really going above and beyond. Lastly, provide the service and quality service at that. Make sure that you're not just getting the job done, but you're doing it good, and then ask for a referral when you're done. That's it.